Good morning. So I'm reading through all the questions that I got over the weekend, just trying to catch up here. And I seen that By and Light had actually asked us, how do you quickly and evenly space separate designs? So let me show you a couple of ways to do that. So I've got these separate designs here. I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to select them all. The first thing I really want to do is top them out, right? So that all my tops are spaced or are aligned at the very top. The next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to go up here to my arrange. Now there's a couple of places to do this, but let's start here in the menu. I'm going to go to distribute and I'm going to distribute them horizontally spaced. So up and down spaced and centered. And when I do that, it evenly spaces all of my objects from each other. So this is the space it's evenly spacing from top to top to top. So if we want them, let me Control Z and move some stuff around here a little bit more. Maybe I want this guy a little closer. Let me go ahead and E. I'm going to hit E on my keyboard, and that is going to align these guys horizontally instead of on the top. So E is going to align them horizontally. Again, I'm going to go back to that arrange. I'm going to go back to distribute. And again, I'm going to distribute them horizontally centered. So again, we've got a little bit of space here, here, and here. Now what you'll see is this has got a little extra space in between it. That is generally because we're measuring the space from top to top. Top to top, top to top, top to top. The other thing we can do is go ahead and align these things vertically using the same tool. First thing I'm going to do is I'm going to select them all. I'm going to hit C on my keyboard, just C, C to center. Then I'm going to go back up here to my arrange. I'm going to go down to distribute, and then I'm going to distribute them V centered. Now I've got some spacing here. The only way to really get a bunch of these very well centered with, I would say, not centered, rather, very well aligned. So if we're doing the same thing and you want it aligned and you want it spaced exactly evenly by coordinates, you're going to go here to your grid array and add how many you want and how much space is in between. Say you want them 1/4 of an inch a piece. So you're going to actually manually do that there, but that only works if you are doing the same object. Hopefully this helps somebody today. Alignment can be a lot of fun. It can also be a little bit frustrating. Don't hesitate to reach out with more questions.